Wrap you in my arms, whisper this advice, be strong,
Mami, ibilin mo na po yung mga ibibilin mo kay
be
Mami.
patient and in time.
Thank you very much. Para pag-ibig si Mami. Thank you very much. Nakahinga-hinga. And of course, this time, we will ask, of course,